Today I'm going to take off the front bumper of this 2011 Volkswagen Jetta TDI, and I'm going to show you how I do that. The whole front bumper area just comes right off. Now you want to get your vehicle on jack stands and then open the hood. As you can see, I'm just doing this at home in my garage. Now you want to make sure you disconnect your battery. This is normally a 10mm socket, or you can use a wrench, of course. Now to remove the front bumper, we start with these top 4 bolts. These are all T25s. And as we take them off, we make sure we have a system for keeping all our bolts and nuts that we removed organized. So when we want to put it back together again, we know what goes where. So now you go underneath the bumper and you take out these, and they're all T25s. You take out this one over here, over here, right around the bottom side of the bumper. And then don't forget the ones on the end. So you're going to have 8 in total to take off on the bottom. So now we come to the wheel well, and as we look inside, you see these screws over here, also T25s. Don't forget the one right at the bottom right there. And then there's another one that is on the inside over here. So you take these off, and then from the inside up here, there's one as well, also T25. So you have 5 in total here that you have to take off. Now that we've taken off all the torx screws from the bottom and from the sides, it's time for the bumper to come off. And so what we need to do, you need 2 people really to pull from each side and try and loosen the clips, because it's held on by clips, especially in the middle here. So we go from the side, and this whole panel here, we're going to just give it a good whack, and then we're going to be pulling the whole thing. Now, if you have fog lights installed, then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to remove these connectors over here. And it's going to be a twist it to the side. And then it's a twist to the side, and it's a pull out, just like that.